Did you know that 90% of customers would walk away from their favorite brand if their complaints are not resolved? So in this video, you'll see on how to resolve customer complaints rapidly using the power of artificial intelligence. Let's assume that a bank has received a customer complaint which is shown on the screen. Now, generally, the complaints are quite long, and this particular complaint has got more than 300 plus words. Now, let's see a demo on how AI can help understand this complaint rapidly so that bank executives can take a rapid action. Let me enter the complaint in this complaint box and then hit resolve. Here you can see that many different fields are now auto-completed using AI. We see that AI has predicted the complaint type, which relates to debt collection, and the customer is complaining about the attempt by the bank to collect a wrong amount. In addition, we also see a summary of complaints, which is expressed in just few words. And this can help the bank employee to rapidly understand the complaint and take necessary actions to resolve it. In addition, we also see the details about the customer, such as the email, which can be used by the bank employee to operationalize the resolution. In addition, AI has also given a template for the resolution communication. So as you can see that AI has auto-completed many fields, which is going to help resolve the complaints faster, as well as improve the bank employee productivity. Now let us see the analytic flow behind this demo. Once the complaint is entered, a large language model can be used to summarize it. Based on the summarization, we can use 4 different predictive machine learning models which can help predict the type of complaint, the subtype of the complaint, the product type, and the product subtype. In addition, a fine-tuned large language model can also be used to generate a template resolution. Now, one of the main steps in this analytic flow is text summarization of complaint using a large language model such as OpenAI GPT-4. Let us see the power of text summarization using this scatter plot visualization. Here on the x-axis, you have the length of the complaint, and on the y-axis, you have the length of the summarization. And if you see this particular example, this complaint, it has got about 972 words, but it has been summarized to less than 120 words. And here on the screen, you see the original complaint, which is quite long, and it has to do with the theft on the property. And the large language model is doing a fantastic job in summarizing this complaint in just few sentences. Now, such as text summarization can help improve the productivity of bank employees. In addition, the text summarization can also help in the next step of training machine learning models to predict the type of product and the type of complaints. So let me now move on to the machine learning models which are used to predict the product type and the complaint type using text summarization. The complaint summary can be converted into embeddings, which are numeric representation of text. And then when you place these embeddings on a scatter plot, you'll observe that similar looking complaints are close to each other. So in these scatter plots, each dot is a complaint, and the color of the dot represents the type of complaints. And let us hover over few of the dots which are closely located to each other and see what the complaint is about. Here you'll observe that all the complaints are related to the home equity line of credit, or in short HELOC. Let us hover over few more dots and you'll observe that these two complaints, which are close to each other in this embedding vector space, are all related to late payment. So as you can see that the embeddings help us group similar looking complaints together, so they can be used also as features to train machine learning models to predict the type of complaints. Let us now move to the next step of generating template resolutions, and this can be done using a fine-tuned large language model. You can take a base large language model such as OpenAI GPT-4 and then fine tune it with some sample complaints and resolution. And once the model is fine tuned, it can be used to generate a template resolution for any given complaint. So my friends, hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you want to try out some of the analytics which I've shown you in this video using an AI assistant, you can do so using my platform datajarvis.ai. The link is in the description below. Please do like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you can communicate with me through the comments. And see you soon in another exciting demo video.